Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you where to find Domino's pizza promo code. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, on your mobile device or PC or laptop, open up any web browser, head on over to Google and type in Domino's promo code and you'll get all these different results. So normally on the first page, most of these will work, but what I suggest going and looking for is going to couponfollow.com. That's a very good site to get coupon codes. So they've got a deal here for 45% off Domino's. So I'm going to go ahead and click into that to get my 45% off. And once you click in, they've got these other different deals, but that 45% deal seems the best in my opinion. So to get this 45% off, simply click onto that offer. And now what you want to do, you've got two options. You can redeem this at Domino's Pizza while you're making and then make your order, or you can simply click on this code here 9221 and then paste this code at the checkout section of Domino's to receive your 45% off. So yeah, that's it for this video guys, where to find Domino's working pizza promo codes. Thanks for watching this to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.